Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the Pop Sockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to WatchWire News. I'm Johnny Evans, and we've got some exciting news for all you Apple enthusiasts out there. Apple has just dropped the 2025 Pride Collection, celebrating Pride Month in style with a brand new Apple Watch Pride Edition sport band that's got everyone talking. Now, this isn't your average Pride-themed accessory. It's not just a colorful band. It's a work of art made by hand from individual stripes of vibrant color that are compression molded together. And what makes each one truly unique? The way they're assembled means no two bands are exactly alike. Imagine owning an Apple Watch that's as unique as you are, and with this Pride Edition sport band, that's exactly what you'll be rocking on your wrist. Plus, it comes at a price point of just $49. That's right, you can show off your Pride without breaking the bank. But wait, there's more. The new Pride Harmony watch face is also part of the collection, designed to complement the sport band in all its glory. Imagine an analog watch face with bold, individual rainbow stripes that shift dynamically across the display as you raise your wrist. It's truly a sight to behold. And if you're feeling extra festive on your iPhone or iPad, there's even a new Pride-themed wallpaper to add some color to your screen. Now we know what you're thinking. When can I get my hands on this amazing Pride collection? Well, the Apple Watch Pride Edition Sport Band is available for pre-order now, while the watch face and wallpaper will be part of an upcoming software update. So mark that calendar for watchOS 11.5, iOS 18.5, and iPadOS 18.5. It's going to be a game changer. That's all from WatchWire News for today, folks.